Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use Wintec's Timetables website. First off, make sure you have pop-ups unblocked on your browser, otherwise your timetable won't be able to open. The first thing we're going to click on is Student Sets. You can use this tab to view the timetable for all the papers you're enrolled in. Select your school of study, then click to select your student set. You can then choose to view your timetable for this week, next week, the full year, or by semester. Click View Timetable and you'll be able to see your timetable. If you're not sure what your student set is, have a look at the instructions on this webpage for more information. Another way of viewing your timetable is by clicking on Modules. Modules are the individual papers you're enrolled in. First, click on your school of study. Then you can use the filter to search for your module or scroll down until you find your module. You can then choose to view your timetable for this week, next week, the full year, or by semester. Click View Timetable and you'll be able to see your timetable. If you have any questions about timetables, call our Student Enrolment and Information team on 0800 294 6832.